Back with another one after the parasitic draw. This joint been on the maintain, it's been maintaining. You know what I'm saying? It ain't just constantly charging no more. You know what I'm saying? So we're probably gonna take it off of there today. But we'll drive it and then take it off of there and then make sure it's gonna hold the charge. But it ain't charging, it's maintaining. So that means it's probably good. Probably pull that thing over there, that Cutlass over here. It says you got a draw on that one. I got a new tool alert, Milwaukee fuel, 1/2 inch impact. Came with the case. And the 3 batteries. Y'all know. I don't know. If y'all was in there live, y'all seen me looking at them. So I'm contemplating it. I went ahead and pulled the trigger. I ain't buying nothing else. Nothing else for me next. Rest of the year belongs to the fam. Son birthday coming up. Daughter birthday coming up. Christmas coming up. So we're gonna see what it do. Let me grab the keys to the truck. I think I want to try to get up under here and clean up these too. Might hop on a bike today, man. It's so like I got nothing but time, you know what I mean? So probably do the pull the truck out, take it around or whatever, and then come back, move the Cutlass, and then probably pull the bike out. Let's go. Get busy, baby. All right, so some things have changed since the last time. We installed the seatbelt. I think I did like a little small video on that. So we got seatbelts now. What else? I was messing with the wiring for the fuel gauge. So what turned out to be the issue is that I pretty much just had to go through the wiring diagram for these trucks that had it with the switch or whatever, know what I'm saying? So now that that's taken care of, I'm gonna crank it up. We got our fuel reading and good to go. So no more guessing. No more guessing the fuel level. All right, so what else we got? She done got dirty again. I do not like fucking washing cars, man. Like I said, all that construction shit they doing, man, that's why the big keep getting dirty, because I ain't drove it nowhere. Same thing with these. So it is what it is. Pull it out on the street and shit, let it do its thing. I need to vacuum this shit out. So this is probably like the first time that something felt different about that. Like that takeoff. The takeoff was different. Very different. I wonder why. Let me roll down this damn window. That's our air conditioning. So since the last time, we did tighten up a lot of the undercarriage, making sure that exhaust, everything else was, you know, the way it needed to be. A lot of that primarily due to we didn't want to catch no fake vibrations and shit. Seems to be as long as it's doing what it's supposed to do, and we good to go. It's still not PTSD time yet, but still not PTSD time. Tell you, boy, it's time to wake them up. Time to wake them up. Alright, let's go get the keys to this Cutlass. Alright, so we're gonna see if the Cutlass gonna start up without any assistance. Voltage is below 10. We'll see what happened though. Not shit. Oh, my fault. That ain't how you start this car no more. I keep forgetting. Okay, there we go. Fans on, etc. I need to play with the tune on this, man, because that's not reading correctly. So yeah, I'm gonna let this warm up a little bit before I move it, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so warming up, little baby. So I definitely gotta get that stall, well not stall, definitely gotta get this tack up here reading correctly. It was reading correctly, and then I don't know what got changed in the tune. So I'm gonna have to go back and check it out. That would have you thinking that it's damn near flashing the 7,000 before it shifts, and that's not the case. So we gonna get it right, get it tight. Concern of why we put the extra fan on there on the transmission cooler, and that was like the biggest thing, you know what I'm saying? Especially with a higher converter, I gotta get that fucking exhaust from up under this car, dog. Although it does sound aggressive as hell. It does sound aggressive as hell. But yeah, that's off like hell. Like, that's idle, nigga. It ain't no way that shit idling at $2,000. So it's just the output for the tack. That thing gotta move now. I'm just, my concern is for the longevity. So for the longevity of it, then daily driving a high stall vehicle, like, what does that really do? You know what I'm saying? So my thoughts, my concerns. Baby definitely still, little baby got the moves now. We was in a lot the other night talking about how straight it is. Well, we gonna see. So we got the Cutlass pulled over a little bit on the grass. Charge the battery up, but first let's see what the batteries sit at. I'm pretty sure it needs to be charged though, because like I said, all we did was take it around the corner. The battery's only at 11.94, so we're gonna charge it up, let it do what it do, and then go from there. Let me see here. So I'm gonna just take the same charger, 10 amp boost, 6.2 charge. If I remember correctly, or if I read correctly, when you put it on a 10 amp boost, it do it at 10 and then to drop it to the 6 and then to the 2. So. Look around and find out. All right, this little connection is good. I'm gonna put it on that 10 amp. Now it's charging. And we'll see what happens. So yeah, the reason that we're charging that one all the way up is so that we can do the parasitic drain test on it. Make sure everything's on the up and up. You know what I mean? We figured it out on the C10, so why not? Why not the Cutlass? I mean, the Cutlass, like I said, it's hadn't really. I mean, this is not a daily. That's not a daily. That's not a daily. That ain't a daily. You know what I'm saying? These like pull them out on occasion type cars. So, you know what I'm saying, I feel like smoke shit. Boom, get them that one. Who feel like truck shit, pull out that one. Feel like swinging on them, pull out that one. Feel like cruising on them, pull out that one. So it's a variety pack. You know what I mean? Skittle pack.